Today's topic is to convert a string into the binary. There are two methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method one, that is by using a join format and an order method, and the method two by using a join format and a byte array method. Let's start from the first method. So first we are going to initialize our string. Here I have taken the string the triple A's, and after that we are going to use this all three methods combined. That is, we are first formatting the elements, and after that we are taking the unique code of them, and we are going to go through. So in other terms, we are going to go through each and every element of our string number one. After doing that, we are formatting that element particularly, and after that we are converting them into the unique character of that particular string, and we are converting it into the binary formation, and after that we are joining our binary formatted particular character of each of them with the no indent, and we are storing them into the string number 2, and we have them as an output. As you can see, our single 8 comprises of 1 and 5 times 0 and again 1 and the triple A and then so on.